inside that I have one file with name hello world.js. Inside the hello world.js, I have one employee object with name, age and salary, and I'm trying to log hello employee name. Let's see how to execute in the Node.js. Here, once you go to Control J, you can use Node and specify the file name. So here I'm going to specify the file name, and it is going to execute the JavaScript, and you are able to see the output of that. So here you are executing the JavaScript on the server side, not on a browser. Okay, let's discuss about how to debug JavaScript using Node.js. Here I kept a breakpoint. I can go to run, start debugging, and if you see, you are able to hit your breakpoint, and you are able to see the employee data, his name, and apart from that you have some debug capabilities where you can see the call stack, watch window, variables. All of them are available. It is pretty much same on how you debug the JavaScript in Chrome browser.